Block A of weight 4500 Newton rests on wedge B, making an angle 15 degree. The angle of which is 15 degree. Block A rests on against the wall and on the wedge. Wedge B rests on the floor, and P is the pushing load acting on the wedge B, so that the block A moves upward. Mu is the coefficient of friction between all the sliding contacts. Now we will find the push P to be applied to the wedge to make the block A to move upward. This is the free body diagram of block A. N1 is the normal reaction of block A with the wall, and since the block A move upward, frictional force acts downward. N2 is a normal reaction between block and wedge. N2 sin 15 degree, and N is the horizontal component of force normal reaction N2, and N2 cos 15 degree is the vertical component of normal reaction N2. F2 is the frictional force acting between the block and wedge. Now equating all the horizontal force components is equal to 0 gives N1 acts towards right, then it's positive, minus N2 sin 15 degree act towards left, hence it is negative, minus F2 cos 15 degree, F2 cos 15 degree, the horizontal component of F2 will act towards left, hence it is negative, is equal to 0. Now N1 minus N2 sin 15 minus mu into F2 is can be written as coefficient of friction into normal reaction, N2 into cos 15 degree is equal to 0. N1 minus N2 sin 15 degree minus 0.2 into N2 cos 15 degree is equal to 0. Solving all this equation, we will get N1 minus 0.452 into N2 is equal to 0. Therefore N1 can be written as 0.452 of N2. This is equation 1. Now solving all the vertical force components is equal to 0, equating F1 act downward, it is positive, plus 4500 Newton plus vertical component of F2 sin 15 degree minus N2 cos 15 degree is equal to 0. F1 can be written as mu N1 plus 4500 plus mu 2 N2 sin 15 degree minus N2 cos 15 degree is equal to 0. For 0.2 of N1 plus 4500 minus 0.914. After substituting 0.1 and solving for sin 15 cos 15 gives this equation. This can be written as 0.914 n2 is equal to 0. This is written as equation 2. Now substituting 1 in 2 gives 0.2 into 0. N1 can be written as 0.452 of N2 plus 4500 minus 0.914 N2 is equal to 0. Now solving this equation gives N2 is equal to 4500 by 0.8236, which is equal to, therefore N2 equal to 5463.8 Newton N2. Therefore N1 is equal to 0.452 into 5463.8 is equal to 2469.6 Newton. Therefore the normal reaction of the block with the wedge is 54638 Newton. A normal reaction of block with the wall is 2469.6 Newton. Now coming to the free body diagram, of a block wedge B. N2 is the normal reaction between the wedge and the block. Again it can be written as vertical component N2 cos 15 degree and horizontal force component N2 sin 15 degree. F2 is the friction force between the block and the wedge, and P2 is the push applied to the wedge. N2 is the normal reaction of the wedge with the flow, and F3 is the frictional force. Now equating horizontal force is equal to 0 gives N2 sin 15 degree acting towards the right. This can be written as F2 cos 15 degree acting towards right minus plus F3 acting towards right minus P is equal to 0, implies P is equal to F3 plus F2 cos 15 degree plus N2 sin 15 degree is equal to F3 plus F2 can be written as mu into N2 cos 15 degree plus N2 sin 15 degree. Substituting the values of mu, which is 0.2, and N2, which is 5463.8 Newton, gives F3, P is equal to F3 plus 2469.6. This can be written as equation 3. Now equating all the vertical force components gives N3, it is acting in vertical direction, N3 minus vertical component of N2, which is acting vertically downward, N2 cos 15 degree, and the vertical component of F2, which is F2 sin 15 degree, which is acting vertically upward, therefore it is positive F2 sin 15 degree. is equal to 0, implies n3 is equal to n2 cos 15 degree minus f2 sin 15 degree is equal to n2 into cos 15 degree minus mu sin 15 degree. Since we know the value of n2 and mu, n3 is equal to 4994.8 Newton. Now coming to equation 3, P is equal to F3 plus 2469.6. F3 can be written as mu into N3 plus 2469.6 is equal to 0.2 into N2 is 4994.8 plus 2469.6. Therefore P, the push required to move the wedge towards left so that the block will move upward, is P is equal to 3468.5 Newton. Thank you for watching. If you like this knowledge sharing, please subscribe to have further discussion.